and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 and love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved. Love, 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 loved. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Do you, but do you, but do you want to come on? I scooch on over closer, dear, and I will nibble your ear. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find that the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours.
Let's go. Stop, now let me get a look at you. Damn, I ain't seen you since prom. Come to think about it, can't believe it's been that long. I heard your man locked down now. How long he gone? Oh, that long. How the hell he get time like that? 3 strikes with possession. Oh, he ain't coming back. He left you with 2 kids and bills all around. Plus you found out he had another chick cross town. It's always the darkest right before the sunrise, and you gotta stay strong for the kids in their eyes. And please don't despise and go against all brothers and have a hatred in your heart and take it out on another. I hate to sound too pokish, little mama, but keep your head up. But you gon' make it, I promise. You keep your head up, and that don't kill you only makes you stronger. And the will to succeed only feed the hunger. For real, for real, for real. walked past with his sign. We'll work for food, clothes, or cash. And he asked if he could pump my gas. So I let him clean the windshield and throw out the trash. So I let him, hey, I even asked the brother his name, where he was from, got kids, man, and what's their ages. He kinda stirred for a second, he kinda looked surprised that anyone would even take an interest in his life. He said, young brother, them the only words I done heard in the last year. There wasn't no one, get the fuck away from her. How could something so simple as general conversation mean much more than general conversation? Hey, you could tell life had beaten him down, like he was in a title fight and this might be his last round. Sometimes the easiest things we take for granted until they gone, then realize we even had it for real. For real, for real. Hey, oh, and they say, oh, 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 yeah. Hey, oh, and they say, oh, oh. I used to think that life had a plan for me until I realized life had to be planned by me. See, that's the key. I only deal with what I can see, cause over history, mystery brought us nothing but misery. And more people than died in the name of the Lord than in any natural disaster, disease, or gang war. Before guns, they were swords, and they was killing each other. Ain't much change to this day. We still killing each other, killing my brother while another mother cries for help. Man, we need to help a brother find himself. Feed him like 1, 2, 3. Hey, that's something every brother should see. That's for real, and that's for real, and that's for real. Hey, oh, and they say, oh,